Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to another video here at Empty Paradise's Cars and Collectibles. So today's video we have an awesome unboxing. We have this brand new Japanese set that just came out, and I know a lot of people are freaking out about it. But before we get started with the unboxing, I do want to point out I do have a giveaway going on my merch store. So if you guys are interested in winning this Nissan Skyline GTR from the Fast and Furious, and it even comes with a little Paul Walker minifigure, definitely go check it out. Link in the description down below. You guys can hop onto my merch store, and whenever you buy stuff, you automatically get entered into the giveaway. I have a bunch of Hot Wheel mainline, premium, RLC, monster trucks, and even a bunch of other automotive themed merchandise. So definitely go check it out. Link in the description down below. But today's video, we are going to be doing an unboxing of this Japanese set. And I know a lot of people have been really anticipating this one, especially because it has a Pandem Subaru BRZ right there. So these are the cars that are going to be in it. So we have that Pandem Subaru BRZ, custom Acura Integra Sedan GSR, Mitsubishi 3000 GT VR4, the 2021 Toyota GR Supra, 2023 Nissan Z, and the Mazda RX7 FC Pandem. So got some pretty awesome cars, and there's the box if you guys were curious what the box looks like. I guess we kind of flipped, and then both the sides are exactly the same, and then you got the bottom. That's the back, and there's the front, and boom, there's the window looking in at all the cars, which those cars look absolutely amazing, and you got this really nice artwork here on the lid. But we are definitely going to be opening this up. I'm going to go ahead and grab some scissors. We're going to cut the seals, and we're going to go ahead and pull these out and check them out. Whenever this first came out and I saw them, I was like, okay, this is going to be an awesome set. Once I actually saw the cars in person, I was blown away. And if you guys are interested in picking up one of these, I will have a link in the description down below. You can actually get it on Amazon, and that's actually where I got this one. Like I said, link in the description down below. Go pick it up for yourself. And let's see. And I'm super excited to see what some of these cars look like outside the package. I did notice that the Mitsubishi, the rear tire is kind of, I don't know if you can really see that, kind of squished or kind of jammed up in there because of the packaging. And I do plan on racing these on the Hot Wheels 6-lane raceway in some upcoming videos. So I really hope that that's not damaged or has like a bent axle or anything. But if you guys are interested in seeing these on the 6-lane raceway, definitely hit that subscribe button, because in the very near future I will be racing those, like all 6 of these. So definitely go check it out. I do daily Hot Wheel races every single day, YouTube Shorts. I'll race 6 days, and on the 7th day I actually do a kind of finale with all the previous winners from the week. And these are definitely going to be in an upcoming race, so definitely subscribe and stay tuned, because you do not want to miss out. But let's go ahead and start with the, wow, this is, okay, so these are like metal on metal, at least this one is. We got the Nissan Z starting off in a very beautiful blue. We did kind of see a mainline in a similar color, but now this has like this silver trim on either side above the windows. So that's kind of interesting. The wheels look pretty nice too. I don't think these are like regular wheels. They look like a new style. They do kind of have like the openings in them, so I believe they're probably going to be faster on track. But yeah, metal bottom as well. This entire box, like just like whenever it came in, it was like super heavy, and I thought I'd ordered like some like tools or something small but heavy. Couldn't figure out what it was. I didn't remember, and then when I opened it up, I realized what it was and was kind of blown away, because I mean, even this car right here is very, very heavy, especially compared to like the regular mainline. All right, so next up we have the Mazda RX7 FC Pandem, and once again, this is a metal on metal car. It looks absolutely amazing, though. I really like those wheels. There we go. I don't know if you can really see them with that glare, but the detail on this car looks really good. Has a windshield banner that says Pandem in the middle, and I noticed like the ink is like smeared on the windshield a little bit, but not too bad. Still looks pretty good. And then it even says Pandem right there at the base of like that big kind of duckbill. And it does say it on both sides, but wow, the attention to detail on the back end of this thing is incredible. And just kind of like overall, like this looks really, really good. There's the bottom, and you can see it's all metal there. And it also has mirrors that kind of stick out really far. There was this little piece of plastic that actually kind of protected it, and it did go over the mirrors, so that is kind of interesting. There is some like scratches on the, looks like in the die cast on the hood, and then the paint kind of went over it. but also the front has like some like little rally lights going across the front, which looks really cool. Wow, and then the little tiny wheels, I really hope that actually helps it do pretty well. But man, this is a really, really heavy car. I'm surprised that both of these, I don't know if all of them are, but at a quick glance, it looks like they all are metal on metal. So that does explain why these sets cost like a little bit more than just like a normal like 8-pack, because the quality is a lot nicer. The attention to detail is a lot more like kind of high end. The headlights, taillights, usually all the little detail and accents are so much more detailed on here. But let's go ahead and check out the Toyota Supra. Wow, once again, very heavy. It looks really amazing. The attention to detail on this looks really good. Like the stripes down the side, you got the little Gretty logo right there. Stripes on the hood. And it does not carry onto the roof or trunk. But wow, that detail is amazing. Even the detail on the taillights, the Toyota logo, below it's a Supra, and then down the bottom corner it has a little GR on there, right down there. I don't know if you can really see that very well. But yeah, the attention to detail is phenomenal. Like Hot Wheels did a great job with these. And once again, metal bottom, like this entire set. And that bottom's actually kind of interesting the way it's shaped like that. I know like the regular Mark V Supra actually does pretty well on the 6-lane raceway. So I'm curious how this like metal on metal version is going to go. And that's kind of interesting wheels. We have not seen those so far. At least I have not ever seen those. So that's kind of interesting. Alright, it actually does have like a good roll to it. So I'm actually excited in the future to do some races with all these. Alright, so it's kind of wedged in here. Let's just hope that the back tires are fine. Alright, looks like it's still, just make sure. Oh yeah, so it does look like the rear axle is a little bent. It does have a slight wobble to it, so that's very unfortunate. This is a Mitsubishi 3000 GT, which looks really, really good. And the wheels actually look really nice too. Got that nice stripe down the middle, and then down each side. The attention to detail looks really, really good. Tail lights and everything. The license plate is 3000 GT. Even has that on the bumper underneath the taillights. And man, the headlights look really good too. But when kind of rolling it on a nice solid surface, I do notice that the back tire has like a little bit of a wobble. Luckily, it's not rubbing on the fender. So hopefully, like on the 6-lane raceway, it'll still have like a nice smooth roll on the racetrack. It looks like it's actually rolling pretty smooth right now, but you do see like that slight kind of wobble effect to it. There's the bottom, if you guys were curious. It looks really, really cool as well with the exhaust and everything. Alright. And now we got the Acura Integra Sedan GSR. Once again, all these do have a metal bottom, and all the designs on this look really, really cool. You got that kind of stripe pattern down the side with all the different brands. You have the AEM, Sparco, Nitto, and I can't really tell what the other one is. But yeah, that looks really cool. And even the hood has that really cool design. It goes up onto the roof as well. So I think this thing looks absolutely amazing. It does have smaller wheels, but it is a very heavy car. Even like the headlights are really detailed as well, and the taillights. But wow, this is a really cool looking car. And even like the wing looks really nice. A lot of times like the paint doesn't get like all the way in, but I could tell like they actually got the paint all up under. And like these are honestly like Hot Wheel premium cars. But luckily they have like regular tires that are they can roll and stuff, because I do want to be able to put these on the 6-lane raceway at some point in some upcoming videos. And the way these are rolling right now is absolutely amazing. But this is the one that everybody's been excited about, the Pandem Subaru BRZ. And wow, the paint is phenomenal. That is amazing. Got the giant Pandem logo there. And obviously it's a nice gloss pink. And it's like a very high gloss. You got the giant wing there on the back, which looks crazy. You can kind of see like that wide body there. And then even the front looks really cool. Man, this is amazing. It actually looks just like the Pandem kit. And wow, like I absolutely love the way this turned out. And I mean, even got detailed little Subaru logo on the back at the taillights. And then like the headlights are spot on. Like Hot Wheels did a great job with this car. And what's interesting is this is right-hand drive. Okay, so the Supra, the Nissan Z, the Mazda, Mitsubishi, actually they're all left-hand drive, but this one is right-hand drive. I don't know if you can really see the steering wheel right in there. You can kind of see it there, the gauge cluster kind of lifted up. That is interesting that they made this right-hand drive, but it honestly looks like it's modeled after somebody's specific car. So I'm pretty sure that's what they did. Actually, it's kind of funny. This is a Japanese set, and the packaging has a bunch of Japanese writing and stuff on it, but this is the only one that's right-hand drive. Even like the wheels. I don't know if you guys really noticed that. The wheels look really nice too. And they almost look like they have real riders, but they are not. They're all plastic wheels, and it's just like a whole new style that's a little bit more detailed. And I really hope this is not too wide for the 6-lane raceway. Maybe I'll have to put it in lane 1 or 6 because those lanes are a little bit wider than the rest. And I just noticed in the light, I don't know if it's really coming up on camera, there's actually like a sparkle. It's like it's not just a pink, it's actually like almost like a glittery kind of paint. But wow, that's absolutely amazing. And what a lineup. Like, these are some really awesome cars. Super excited to bust these open. And like, for me, like being a collector, I like to keep stuff in the package, keep it original. But for these, I'm so glad I was able to open them up, check them out. And like I said, hit that subscribe button because I will be doing upcoming races on the 6-lane raceway, including all 6 of these. So I'm super excited for that. So definitely subscribe because it's going to be an awesome video. But also put down in the comments down below which one of these 6 is your guys' favorite. I really like the detail of the BRZ, like all the detail on that and like how amazing it looks. All the rest of these still look really, really good, but I am more of a fan of like more modern cars, so that BRZ looks really awesome. But let me know which one is your guys' favorite. But if you guys did like this video, definitely go down and hit that like button down below. Hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this. And also don't forget to enter the giveaway, link in the description down below. Hop on my merch store. I actually do have a couple more of these sets that are going to be on their way, so I do plan on having these on my merch store soon. But definitely subscribe, stay tuned. But as always, thank you for watching.